Parul said she want to become a good friend. It's very strange answer. Still, I'm like very difficult to understand. Okay, but yes, but I understand what you want to say.
In childhood, I have a desire that I become a good friend, but now in a teenage, I realize that I want to be alone, because friends, like in this world, friends is not all things. Like if
Okay.
we live alone, so it's really good,
Mhm.
because all people just want from you. They don't want to give anything. They don't want to behave like about our life or
No, Parul,
experience.
I'm just interrupting you in between. So presently, what is your status? I mean, you don't have your friend, or you don't communicate with your friends, or how it is?
No, I'm just, yeah, I'm not communicating with my friends.
If
I,
you stop talking to them, so
yeah,
what they would felt about it?
because they are not doing good with me. Like I realize it, I realize it in many years, but now I decided, because now I'm distracting, and now I'm not focusing on my study. I'm feeling very irritation, like that. So I decided. So that's all. Like to quit that
Parul,
situation.
do one thing. Don't expect anything from others. I think you are expecting so much things from others. That's why you're feeling that kind of thing. So there are very good friends also. There are very bad friends also, but there are also very good friends. So don't think that if I'm doing this to them, they have to do the same. Okay, don't.
No, oh no, I'm not expecting from them that they do for me, but no, they're just distracting me. They are just interrupting me, like don't do this, do this for us. Like if you did for that girl, so you did for
Okay,
me
let me
also,
let me tell
like
you
that.
Parul true story. Okay, I think I told you guys earlier. Last year I was in hospital. I hospitalized. I went through a big operation. Okay, so the condition was really serious. In that time, you won't believe, my best friend, she didn't come to see me, and I was shocked. I was like near to death. She called my parents, but she didn't come to see me. And one of my friend whom I really don't like, she's like my hi hello kind of friend, she came to me. And when she saw me, I have all the tubes in my nose and all over my body, there are lots of bottles and everything. She started crying after
God,
watching me. And she is only my hi
really,
hello kind of friend. I never liked her. That day I realized that don't judge a book by its cover.
God.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And the friend which I love the most, I always I did so many things for her, but when I need her, she was not there. So I think we should change a definition of friendship. And
Yes,
there are lots of
I
good
changed.
people. If someone is not pampering you every time, if you call them, they are not coming, they are not giving you that much importance, that doesn't mean they are not good friends. If you are in
Yeah,
that time and they are giving you importance, they are coming to you, they are make you feel good, so I think that's a true friend. So yeah.
Time
yeah.
realize the true color.
Yes, yes. And in your difficult time, I think uh, if God give us a difficult time, we should thankful for that, because in that difficult time we can understand what is the value of life. At the same time, what kind of people we have in our life.
Actually, in this difficult time, a strange girl is helping me. She is
Yes,
giving me, now I'm happy.
yes, exactly,
Right? I
exactly.
mean,
That's
whoever gives you a good, a positive, I mean, vibes, and whoever gives you a positive suggestions, you
mm,
believe on that, you have a good relationship with them.
yes.
And the person or the people or the company you have, and they're always skeptical about you and giving you a negative remarks and negative suggestions, I would suggest you to, you have better, you
Yes,
just
yes,
refrain from them. You
that's true,
keep
Yunus.
distance
That's true.
from them.
Yes, I'm also with
But
the,
at the same time,
yes, please.
but
Yes,
at the same time, relationship is very important. You have to maintain the relationship, whether it is a blood relationship or any sort of friendship relationship.
yes.
Friends are very important in the life.
Yes, but as
Yeah.
you said, if you know that someone is continuously demotivating you, I think this is the time to just leave that kind of friends and make some new
Absolutely.
Yeah.
friends
Yeah, it's
from
it's
them.
very important. It's
Yes,
very important to leave the company of these kind
all of
of
that
people
friends,
who always
Yes,
demotivates you or gives a negative sort of suggestions and all.
yes, obviously, because you need friends. You cannot live without friends.
Yeah.
They are very important in our life. Yes, Mohan, what you were saying? You were saying something.
I was saying, right, like she said that earlier she was having, 7 friends, including her.
Mhm.
So maybe whatever difficulty she found in relationship, friendship and all, she also do the same thing, means tit for tat. Like, sometimes we have to, go with the hard way. At least other should realize that, whom with they are playing with. They should realize, believe totally. See,
Yeah.
don't believe totally, because you never know, right? Situation,
Yeah.
time, what it can happen. Just talk to her if you like it, be with her, stick with her, but don't trust, don't trust.
Okay.
Take your time, don't trust, because if you're trusting a lot, I'm telling you, anything can happen. You don't know, maybe she has, any bad intention for you. She can
Mohan,
harm
now,
you.
Mohan, Mohan, now you are sounding very negative. It's like,
No, but
don't
I'm
make a
I'm telling.
friends. If you make friends, maybe they will take advantage of you. Don't do
No,
that.
but no. How it is possible? See, how it is possible within 6.
Jyoti, speak something.
Like I want to oppose one line which is said by Mohan sir. Like he said that we have to do like tit for tat. If we did something wrong with us, then we have to take revenge to them also. But I don't think so, because if they did wrong to us, and if we did, we are also doing same thing with them, then there is no difference between them and us, right?
So
And
what
Absolutely,
you
I
are
agree with
waiting
you.
for? You should raise your voice there, na? You should point out there that
yeah,
what you were saying is
No,
not
no,
correct. That's what
I
I want.
completely
Huh?
agree with it.
Why I made this?
Now I would say, no, I would say that it is a time, it is a time. Like she said that she had a very bad toxic relationship with the 6 friend. So what I'm saying,
right.
I'm not saying do tit for tat. It is according to the situation. You're always silent. It means that you're granting someone to do. So I'm saying according to the situation, tit for tat. But don't be
There
silent.
is actually a difference between doing wrong with someone and doing
Wrong
something
with someone, I
heinous
don't know. I
crime.
don't know.
Sorry,
Heinous
sorry.
crime,
We
because
only have 10 seconds left.